Hi there, students. To nullify, a verb. Nullification, the noun, or also null, the noun. Well, let's look at the noun null to start with. Null means nothing, non-existent, zero, something that has no force or no meaning. So we use this verb to nullify, meaning to make something have no force, or to make it have no effect, to cause something to have no effect or to have no value. So all the hard work that I'd done had been nullified by the fact that I lost all of the information. You could nullify an agreement. Yeah, so the agreement was nullified by the mutual agreement of both of the parties. Yeah, so this law was nullified in 1823. Okay, so to nullify, to make legally null and void, to invalidate. Yeah, or to make of no use, to cancel out, to neutralize. So yeah, this tastes very acidic, so why don't we put some sugar in it to nullify, to negate the acidity, to make something ineffective, to cancel out. Okay, the extra money that pensioners were given for Christmas has been nullified completely by the increase in electricity charges. Okay, so it's been made to have no effect. Yeah, to cancel something out, to counteract it, to neutralize it. So the advantage that they had was nullified by the circumstances. Yeah, it was cancelled out. It was made ineffective. It was made useless. What can I do to nullify the effects of the water on this wooden structure? Well, you could varnish it. Varnish will help to nullify the effects of the water. Yeah, to make something less effective. Yeah. His enthusiasm was nullified. The teacher's enthusiasm was nullified by the total apathy of the students. It was annulled. It was made. It was cancelled out. So to nullify legally, to make legally invalid, to nullify a law, to nullify an election, to nullify a contract, to make something null and void. Yeah. Or to cancel something out, to equal out, to make something ineffective. Yeah, so to nullify, to counteract, to invalidate, to quash, to revoke, to render null and void, to abolish, to repeal, to rescind, to annul, to abrogate. So the decisions that I made were nullified by the fact that my boss refused to ratify them. Yeah, he refused to confirm them. Yeah, and then to nullify, to counteract, to neutralize, to act against something. Yeah, so we need something to nullify this effect. Yeah, the increase in wages has been nullified by inflation. Yeah, very often a decrease in emissions of one greenhouse gas is nullified by the increased emissions in another one. Okay, the nullification of something. Okay, so to nullify, yes, this is rather formal. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Um, informally cancel out or to invalidate. Yeah, that's probably a bit formal in itself. To make nothing. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something very formal. And then as to origin, well, this comes from Latin very clearly. Nullus, yeah, meaning not one. Ne ullus, not any. Yeah, so none, nothing. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nullify. Nullification.